Most people get this wrong. They think building a freelance website requires coding, but the surprising truth about Wix is that it allows you to create a professional, fully functional freelance website without writing a single line of code. First, choose a template that fits your niche: design, writing, consulting, or any service. Wix offers hundreds of templates, and each is fully customizable. You can change layouts, colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Next, add essential pages: a homepage, portfolio, services, and contact page. Wix drag and drop editor makes this simple. You can upload your work samples, write descriptions, and even include client testimonials to build trust. One of the most useful features for freelancers is Wix built-in SEO tools. You can optimize your pages, set meta tags, and even get personalized SEO suggestions to help your site rank better on Google. Additionally, Wix provides integrated booking and payment systems so clients can schedule consultations and pay directly through your site. Another advantage is scalability. As your freelance business grows, you can add blogs, newsletters, or even an online store. Wix also has mobile optimization, ensuring your site looks professional on smartphones and tablets. A few tips: avoid cluttering pages with too many elements, keep navigation simple, and use high-quality images to showcase your work effectively. In conclusion, Wix is an ideal platform for freelancers who want a professional, functional website without technical headaches. With templates, SEO tools, and integrated booking features, it's perfect for showcasing your work and attracting clients. Subscribe for more step-by-step freelance website tutorials and tips to grow your business online.